Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows was unable to complete the format, right? So if you're having issues formatting your disk drive, then you want to go ahead and run this command that I'm about to share with you. So we'll go ahead and click Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and simple type in command prompt, right? Once you find a command prompt, you can right click and run this as administrator. You'll receive a pop-up there asking you to accept the user account control. So just click on yes and you will have it open and ready. Now what you want to do is go ahead and enter this following command that you can see on my screen right here, and it's basically chkdsk space forward slash space the drive letter that you want to format. So if whatever drive that you want to format, in my case I just put the word letter there, but in case you want to format a drive for whatever reason, let's say that drive is drive R or drive D, you can go ahead and enter that. So let's say I want to format drive letter D, I can go ahead and enter that, right? And you want to go ahead and put a colon there, then space forward slash F space forward slash R and hit that. So this is a typical example. So this is how you would go ahead and format. So whichever drive letter you want, it could be drive H, it could be drive S, whatever it is, right? You can go ahead and enter it, and you want to enter the command just like this. Now run that and you will be able to have it complete, and once this is done you should be able to format your drive once this is done. And that's it, guys.